Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about ends with function in Spark SQL. So what is end with function and why do we use it? So whenever we use ends with function, it will return a boolean. The value is true if the left end with right. Return null if either input expression is null, otherwise return false. Both left and right must be string or binary. Okay, let's understand this statement. So what it is saying? So before discussing with this statement, let's see what is the signature of ends with function. It is taking two parameters, left and right. So both left and right, it would be either string or binary. So if left ends with right, then it will return true, else false. What does it mean? So suppose left has a value Santosh Gupta. This is the left value. And suppose we want to put a condition that this left must end with this string Gupta. So if in the right part, if we put Gupta, then this end with function will return true. Apart from Gupta, whatever the value it would be for, so suppose this is present in a full name column. If full name column last string is Gupta, then it will return true. Otherwise, for other name, if Gupta is not present, it will return false. It will return null if both left and right either is null, then it will going to return a null value. For example, suppose this full name has like 1 million row. So we don't know which record has null value in the full name column. Whenever we are going to use end with, then the result would not be true or false, it would be null only. So in this exercise, I am going to show you how ends with function works in Spark SQL. For this purpose, I am creating this table. These are the attributes of the table. When table gets created, with the help of an insert statement, I am going to insert couple of value in this table. When all the insert statement will insert data successfully in this table, then I will write this SQL. What this SQL is going to do, first it is selecting all the columns from this table which we have just created, and I am using this end with function. It's taking two arguments, so I am passing AP name, and I am searching that this AP name column, whatever the value it has, if it ends with Gupta, it will return true, otherwise it will return false, and it will create a column, and I have given the alias of the column is end with Gupta. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me name as ends with. So we need to create a table and we need to insert some records. For both of the things we need scripts. So I have already created the script to save time. Let me copy the script. So this is the script to create the table. Let me copy it and paste here. Let me run it. The table is being created. Spark is creating the table. Table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records. So I have already created some insert statements. Let me copy this insert statement and put in this command cell and let me run it. Spark will going to execute these insert statements one by one. So it will take couple of minutes because we are working with a single node cluster. That's why it will going to take some time. Let's wait till all the insert statement inserts the data successfully in this table. Data are being inserted. We need to wait. Okay, so all the insert statements has been successfully executed. Let's see the data in this table. Select star from. We can see here these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert scripts. Now let's see how ends with function works. Let me format this command cell. Let's use ends with function. Ends with it is taking two parameters. One is a string or a name of the column. I am giving AP name and it is taking what is the character it will going to end. So I am just putting Gupta as and I am giving the alias. Let me run it. We can see here this is the AP name. Here this name is ending with Gupta. That's why for these three records the value is true. For other records value is false. Here it is also a Gupta. That's why it is giving the true result. So whenever it is ending with Gupta, it will going to give you true as a return. Let me just do another ends with exercise. Here let me put is x x x x x x. Let's see. None of the record in AP name ends with 5 times x. So we can see each and every records it is populating as a false in ends with Gupta column, because none of this AP name here, this AP name records ends with 4 times x. Now let's see what the value would come if we are searching with null. Null. Okay, let me run it. So as I mentioned, either this column value or this search criteria or ends with string, either is null, the return type of ends with function would be null only. So here this is a null for each and every record. It is coming as a null. In this exercise, we have seen how we can use ends with function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.